twice is enough, and it was all in vain.
Napakagandang pagtatanghal ang ibinahagi ni na Chris Lawrence at Katrina Halili habang sabay nilang inaawit ang sikat na kantang Bleeding Love. Puno ng damdamin at ganda ang kanilang boses na tila nagtutugma ng perpekto sa isa't isa. Bukod sa magandang awitan, lalo pang naging espesyal ang sandali nang ipakita ni Katrina sa kanyang mga tagahanga ang mga hakbang at sayaw na kanyang inihanda. Buong husay niyang ipinakita at itinuro ang bawat galaw ng koreografiya na akma sa himig ng kanta. Kitang-kita ang kanilang kasiyahan at pagtutulungan sa paglikha ng magandang palabas. Tunay na napakahusay ng dalawa, hindi lamang sa pagkanta, kundi maging sa pagpapakita ng kanilang galing sa pagsasayaw na labis na ikinatuwa ng lahat ng nakapanood.
Close the front I didn't really pray. Once or twice is enough, and it was all in vain. Good on, man.
And then I'm frozen. Oh, but something happened for the very first time with you. My heart melted to the ground, found
Something true.
everyone around thinking I'm going crazy. And I don't care what they say, I'm in love with you. They try to pull me away, but they don't know the truth.
My heart is crippled by
By the vein that I keep on closing, you cut me open and
I keep bleeding, I keep bleeding in love. I keep bleeding, I keep bleeding in love. I keep bleeding, I keep bleeding in love. You cut me open. Ay, mas maganda nga siya. I like it!
Yeah, it talks so loud, the piercing sounds fill my ears, try to fill me with doubt.
Yet I know that the goal is to keep me from falling. And nothing's greater than the rush that comes when you're embraced. And in this world of the loneliness, I see your face around me,
Thinks
baby.
that I'm going crazy.
Alright, everybody.
And I don't care what they say, I'm in love with you. They try to pull me away, but they don't know the truth. My heart is crippled by the vein that I keep on closing. You cut me open and I keep bleeding, I keep bleeding in love. I keep bleeding, I keep bleeding in love. I keep bleeding, I keep bleeding in love. You cut me open and it's draining all of me. Oh, they find it hard to believe. I'll be wearing these scars for everyone to see. I don't care what they say, I'm in love with you. They try to pull me away, but they don't know the truth.
My heart is crippled by the veins that I keep on closing. You cut me open and I
Keep bleeding, I keep bleeding in love.
keep bleeding, I keep bleeding in love. Keep bleeding, I keep bleeding in love. You cut me open.
Keep bleeding, I keep bleeding in love.
I keep bleeding, I keep bleeding in love. Oh my God, kumakanta pala dito yung waiter. Thank you so much.
Hindi sila handa sa duet na yun.
Ang galing, ang galing. Mas maganda pala yung acoustic, guys.
Oo.
Oh, nagustuhan niyo naman ba yung acoustic, guys?
Would you guys like some more water?
Sure! Sure, Kat? Naging Barbie na.
Yung Barbie, sure can. Ang pogi naman ng waiter dito.
Enjoy your stay,
Thank you
guys.
so
If you need something, all you gotta do
much.
is just give me a little call and I'll be right
Alright, we'll just ring the bell. Ring the bell! Ring my bell! Ring my bell! Ay. Oh, ano, ready kayo doon?
Hindi ka din ready.
Hindi na ako ready.
Hindi kami ready, guys.
Oo.
Ang ganda ng acoustic,
Ayoko na pong kumanta after marinig yun.
Parang maganda siya kantahin sa concert.
Oo nga, true. Pwede, no? At
With
least,
dance.
isama na yun
Dapat
sa
alamin
line,
niyo
oh.
na din yung ano, yung dance.
Saan ba punta yung ano?
Ano na?
Sa left, no?
So, tuturo ko sa'yo. Okay, mag-tutorial muna tayo.
Tutorial muna kami, guys. When ang concert?
Actually, hindi siya concert. Thanksgiving po siya.
Show.
Thanksgiving yan. Friday. KKK. Ganyan, okay. I don't care what they say. Ay, ganun
I don't care. Tatlo, one,
I
two,
don't care
three.
what they say. I'm in love with you. Try to pull me away, but they don't know the truth. My heart is crippled by the veins that I keep on closing. You cut me open and I keep bleeding. I keep bleeding in love. I keep bleeding. I keep bleeding in love. I keep bleeding. I keep bleeding in love. You cut me open. Ganon!
Basic lang ang steps, guys.
Diba
Kaya-
basic
kaya-
lang?
So, I think, sa Thanksgiving show, kailangan sabay-sabay nating sayawin to.
Pwede na natin yan kapag alam mo na siya, B. Diba?
True. Game, tutulungan nyo ba kaming gawing Keep Bleeding? Choreographed by
guys.
Miss Katrina.
Aralin nyo na, tuturo ko na sa inyo yung step, ha? Kaya everybody, sunod na kayo. Class, yan, may 5,000k viewers tayo. Manood na kayo, guys.
This is the Keep Bleeding, Bleeding Love dance tutorial.
Teka lang, tingnan mo natin kung sasabay ba sila. Guys, sasabay ba kayo?
Oo.
Kung sasabay kayo, game. Medyo join ba?
Sabayan nyo ba? Yes daw. Tag nyo kami, tapos lagyan nyo ng hashtag. Lagyan natin ng hashtag, para
Hashtag
madaling...
Miss B
Miss Bleeding Love.
Miss B Bleeding Love.
Oo.
Ganon. Miss B Bleeding Love.
Or,
Okay.
or diretso na Miss Bleeding Love.
Hindi, Miss B Bleeding Love.
Okay. Miss B Bleeding Love, yung ating hashtag, para pag click lang namin yon, madali namin makita yung mga entries nyo. Game G.
G na G.
Okay. Blooming mo. Thank you. Okay, that's that.
Ah!
Okay, first step, teacher.
I don't care what they say.
Oh.
Ganon.
I don't care what they say.
I'm in love with you.
I'm in love with you. Tinulak mo talaga, love with you. Ganon.
I'm in love with
Talagang
you.
idiliin mo talaga. Love
Yes,
mo
ganun,
talaga.
diba? Paano mga tinig, galit. Wala kayong magagawa, diba?
Oo, yan. Ganyan. Tapos, you.
Yun.
Turo mo talaga.
Yes.
Alam mo talaga sa kayo na ikaw.
Diba?
Sa'yo.
Ikaw yun.
I'm in love with you.
They try to pull me away, ganon.
Yan.
Diba? They try to
Baka.
pull me away, but they don't know the truth. Diba? Tapos my heart is crippled.
May heart galing dito. Tapos gumapang
Yes.
talaga kayo po.
By the vein that I keep on closing.
Closing.
Okay.
Nagsara na. Oo.
You cut
You cut
me open.
Yun talaga yung gusto ko yung pang Maha Salvador. yung ganun.
Yes. Keep, diba? Ganon. You cut
Tas-
me open. And
Okay, so yun yung first
keep-
chorus.
Saksak lang, be. Saksak ng
Saksak
kutsilyo.
lang. Saksak pala. Ba't ako naka-heart?
Keep bleeding in love. I keep bleeding. I keep bleeding in love. Sa kabila.
Saksakin mo rin yung kabila.
Saksakin mo din, di ba?
Keep
bleeding in love.
love.
Tapos you cut me open. Yun na yun, guys.